How to link Amazon Prime to Twitch. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search gaming.amazon.com and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile, you'll find all these options. Click on Manage Twitch Account. After you've clicked on it, in here, click on Connect to a Twitch account. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Log into your Twitch account. You can also create one if you don't have a Twitch account. After you're done, press on Confirm, as it is showing link the following accounts. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to link Amazon Prime to Twitch. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.